how to use it. So everybody's starting at a different spot in their home buying journey. So for the purposes of this video, let's pretend that we don't know. We don't know what our credit score is. We don't know how much we have saved. We don't know what our purchase price looks like. And we don't know what our budget is. Let's rip off the Band-Aid, the budget. It's the one that nobody wants, but everybody needs. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be a piece of paper, an Excel sheet, or envelope system works for some people. Whatever works for you, but you do need a budget. The first step in building a budget, you got to track your monthly spending. This is going to take a little bit. You can do it with your credit card statements, or you can write down every time you spend any money. That'll tell you exactly where it goes, and that'll help you find where it's wasted. So now that you've tracked your monthly expenditures, you can break it into easy categories. Your utilities, your groceries, your insurance, entertainment. Once you have everything in black and white in front of you, you can look at where you need to prioritize your money going, the things you can cut back, the things you need to focus on. Well, speaking of priorities, it's important that we set a savings goal. I would say an absolute minimum would be 10% of your income. I get it. We all work really hard for our money, and we want to make sure that we treat ourselves well. As long as we do that within the 10% savings goal minimum, I'm a full supporter of it. So now we're hitting our 10% savings goal. However we manage to do that, this is how we protect it. You've got to give that money a different home than the rest of your money, or else it's going to get spent just like the rest of it. So we need a separate savings account, and you need to automate that 10% going in there every single month. We're talking about cash and mortgages. When those two come up, we are inevitably going to hear a couple of strange terms. Sourced and seasoned. They're pretty simple when you break them down. Sourced is just the source of the money. Where did it come from? How did it get here? What did you sell to get it? Who gave it to you? Seasoned is if the money has been sitting in your account for longer than 60 days prior to your application for a mortgage, they're not going to ask about it because they only ask for 60 days worth of bank statements. So if it's already in there, that's seasoned. This was our cash edition. Stay tuned for our credit and our debt to income videos soon to follow. Like and subscribe and comment any questions that you may have.